What is good, Lottery Stocks fam? My apologies for not uploading earlier in the day like the daily upload usually is. Right now, I want to cover a couple tickers. I did see what happened in the overall market. I did see what happened in the crypto space. And honestly, it was a nice day, but I want to touch on a couple of blue chips and then briefly cover crypto. But I did miss you guys. I was out snowboarding today for the second time, so I'm getting a little bit better. It was pretty fun. But first, I want to touch on Tesla. What happened today? I wanted to just cover a couple things. It's not going to be everything in tomorrow's daily upload. I will be covering more so what's happening in that time frame, as well as some things that I missed tonight that are crucial to talk about tomorrow, which I did see. So I did do a little bit of research, but I don't want to make this too long because it's going up extremely late. The Federal Reserve is in no rush to cut interest rates. Basically, Fed Powell talked today, which is not good for what stock? Tesla. As we've seen previously, Tesla had a nasty break to the downside, coming down to 176.50. And if we take a look at the previous times Tesla had the same sort of pattern play out, we said, okay, two tests right here. It has potential to come up, test, and then break an all-time high coming into April, May, June, right? But instead, it hit the midline, which was the second case scenario, which you can see did sort of the same thing back here, and broke below. We broke and hit this level at 175 and we're kind of basing above it, so we didn't get confirmation for a breakdown just yet. However, that looks like that is the likely scenario with what Powell just said, because Tesla is an interest rate sensitive company. A break under 175 and a full candle close, in my opinion, for Tesla is going to bring us down to 166 to potentially hold this channel, which I don't think is going to happen. But basically, I think Tesla is guaranteed coming down to 154 as soon as we get a daily candle close under 175. So just keep that in mind. Again, that level is 154 on Tesla. Nvda still moving up like a rocket ship, 887 up 3% on the day. I also think Nvda has confirmation to basically come all the way up to 950. So just watch that. This is just based off of some levels that I have drawn out for Nvda. It's not the most pretty chart, but this thing has constantly been moving, and we are not seeing a correction just yet, and we are also not seeing any sort of sign of a correction just yet. Another blue chip, Aapl. I want to touch briefly on Aapl because Aapl broke down after a double top and then broke below a few key support levels. Today, breaking below 170.50 was a major support level for Aapl, and honestly, it's looking very bearish in my opinion. And I think Aapl is coming down to 160.70 if it doesn't hold that relative low around 166. So very similar to Tesla. That's what I think is happening with Aapl, and Aapl and Tesla are going to drag the market down with it. Nvda is going to have to pull some serious moves here. I think some money is being pumped out of Tesla as well as Aapl into Nvda, and that's not going to last forever. So if you're not in now, maybe try and time the other way around. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, crypto has been pumping today, looking extremely well. Some that we talked about the other day. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. I'll leave it right here because it is still extremely valid. FET, F-E-T, up 9.6%, pumping $2.66. You have other cryptos like FTM, 74 cents, up 5% on the day, and plenty of other ones that I added in a portfolio that I built the other day, a small portfolio aside from my large one. And Bitcoin as a whole breaking back above this resistance level at 64,000, coming up to 66, and building consolidation here. We talked about it, building consolidation at 64, and that's exactly what is happening. Overall, everything is looking pretty good. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Again, sorry I didn't upload earlier. I will be doing the daily upload tomorrow as per usual, and we will talk about a bunch of stuff then. If you want to talk to me and you like, dude, I missed the upload, I'm freaking out, join the Discord, guys. The link is under the video. I'm not going to plug anything else. I love you. Peace.